Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Try It Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. I'm Jack. How are you today, Lily?
I am really good today, thank you. I had a lovely morning, I made coffee, I opened the window, and I just sat and listened to the world outside. Very quiet, very peaceful. And you, Jack?
I am good. Actually, I am more than good today. I am thinking a lot.
Thinking? About what?
About something big. Something I want to talk about today.
Oh, tell me. What are you thinking about?
I am thinking about English. About what English does to a person. About how it changes things.
Changes things? Like what?
Like everything. I think English changes everything.
Everything? That is a big word.
It is a big idea. And I want to talk about it today.
I love that idea. And I think many of our listeners feel this too.
Yes, I think they do. Because English is not just a language, it is something more.
Something more. Yes, that is exactly what we are talking about today.
How English changes everything.
Yes, how English opens doors you did not even know were there. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Try It Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start.
I am ready. Let's talk about this big idea.
Jack, I want to start with a question. When did you first feel that English was changing something for you? Not just learning words, but actually changing something inside you.
That is a deep question. Let me think.
Take your time.
Okay. I remember the first time I watched a video in English and I laughed. A real laugh. Not because someone told me it was funny, but because I understood it, and it was genuinely funny to me.
And how did that feel?
It felt like a door opened. Like one moment I was outside, and then suddenly I was inside.
Inside what?
Inside the conversation. Inside the world of English. Like I belonged there a little bit.
That moment, that first real laugh in English, that is the beginning. That is where it starts.
Where what starts?
The change. Today, I want to talk about 5 ways English changes everything. Not grammar, not vocabulary, real life changes. Things you can feel.
5 changes. I want to hear all of them.
Good. Let's go. Change number 1. English changes how you see yourself.
How I see myself?
Yes. Before English, who were you?
Before English, I was just me. I had one language, one way of saying things, one version of myself.
And now?
Now I have another version. When I speak English, I feel slightly different. More open, maybe. More calm. Like I can say things I cannot always say in my own language.
That is so interesting. Why do you think that is?
I think because in my own language, I have habits, old patterns, old ways of saying things. But in English, everything is new. I can build myself again. Differently.
You can choose who you are in English.
Yes, exactly. I can choose. And that choice changes how I see myself. I see myself as someone who tries. Someone who is brave enough to speak in another language, even imperfectly.
Imperfectly, but bravely. And that is a different version of you. A stronger version.
A stronger version. I like that. I feel stronger when I speak English, even when I make mistakes.
And that is change number 1. English changes how you see yourself. It gives you a new identity. A brave one. A growing one.
A growing one. Yes, change number 2.
Change number 2. English changes how the world sees you.
How the world sees me.
Yes, when you speak English, other people respond to you differently. Have you noticed this?
Yes, I have. When I speak English with someone, even a little English, they look at me differently. Like, oh, this person knows things. This person has worked on themselves.
And do you feel that?
I feel it, yes. It is not about being better than anyone. It is just people notice. They take you more seriously sometimes.
And it is not just about other people. It is about opportunities.
Opportunities. Tell me more.
When you can speak English, more doors open. More jobs, more connections, more conversations. The world gets bigger.
The world gets bigger. That is beautiful.
Think about it. If you only speak one language, your world is one size. But if you add English, your world doubles. Maybe triples.
Doubles and triples. Because English is spoken everywhere.
Everywhere. In almost every country, in almost every field, English is there. Science, technology, business, art, travel, medicine.
So learning English is not just learning a language, it is expanding your world.
Expanding your world. That is change number 2. English changes how the world sees you and how big your world can be.
Bigger world. More doors. More chances. I feel this.
Change number 3.
Change number 3. English changes how you think.
How I think?
Yes, this one is deep. When you learn a new language, your brain works differently. You start thinking in new ways.
I have noticed this. Sometimes when I am thinking about a problem, I think about it in English, and the answer feels different.
Different how?
In English, I am calmer, more step by step, more logical somehow.
That is because different languages carry different feelings, different rhythms, different ways of organizing ideas.
So English gives me a new way to organize my thoughts?
Yes, English is very direct, very clear. Subject, verb, object, I did this. I felt that. I want this. Very clear.
And in my language, sometimes things are more indirect, more poetic maybe, but also sometimes harder to say directly.
Yes, and when you add English, you add another tool for thinking, another lens for seeing the world.
Another lens. I like that. I see things through an English lens sometimes now.
And that lens shows you new things, new ideas, new ways of understanding.
My thinking actually changed. I never thought about it that way.
That is change number 3. English changes how you think. It gives your brain a new tool, a new way of seeing everything.
A new way of seeing everything. Change number 4.
Change number 4. English changes what you can access.
Access? Like what?
Like knowledge, like stories, like people.
Tell me more.
Jack, how much of the internet is in English?
I don't know exactly. A lot?
More than half. More than 60% of all content online is in English.
60%. That is enormous.
If you cannot read or understand English, more than half of the internet is closed to you.
Closed. Like a locked door.
Yes, but when you learn English, that door opens. You can read news from anywhere in the world. You can watch documentaries, lectures, tutorials, interviews. You can learn anything from anyone for free.
I use English every day to learn things. YouTube tutorials, podcasts, articles. Most of the best content is in English.
And it is not just knowledge. It is stories, literature, films, songs.
Yes, I started watching English films without subtitles. Slowly, but I started, and I discovered stories I would never have found in my language.
Stories that change you. Characters that teach you. Emotions that connect you to people across the world.
Across the world. Because English is the shared language of the world.
The bridge language. The language that connects everyone. And when you learn it, you step onto that bridge.
I stepped onto the bridge. And I can see both sides now. My world and the bigger world.
That is change number 4. English changes what you can access. It opens 60% of the world's knowledge to you. Stories, ideas, people, and possibilities you could not reach before.
60%. That number stays in my head.
Good. Let it stay. Change number 5.
Change number 5. This one, I think, is the most important.
The most important. What is it?
Change number 5. English changes what you believe about yourself.
What I believe about myself.
Yes, this is the deepest change. When you start learning English, you feel like you cannot do it. It is too hard, too foreign, too far away.
I felt that. In the beginning, I thought, this language is not for me. It is for other people. Smart people. People who studied a long time.
And now?
Now I know that is not true. English is for anyone who tries, anyone who keeps going, anyone who listens a little every day and does not give up.
How did that change happen?
Slowly. Very slowly. One word at a time. One sentence at a time. One podcast at a time.
And one day, you realized something.
One day I realized that I was doing it. I was speaking English. I was understanding English. And I thought, wait, I believed I could not do this. But I am doing it.
And that moment changes everything, not just your English. Everything.
Everything. Because if I can do this hard thing, what else can I do?
Yes. When you learn English, you learn that you are capable of hard things. You learn that growth is real, that change is possible, that you can do more than you thought.
And that belief that I can do hard things, that belief follows you everywhere.
Into your job, into your relationships, into your dreams, into your life.
Into everything. Because the person who learns English is not just learning English. They are learning that they can grow, that they can change, that they are stronger than their fear.
Stronger than their fear. That is the most beautiful change.
It is, and it is the most important one. Because your belief about yourself shapes everything else. When you believe you can grow, you grow. In English and in life.
In English and in life. Change number 5. English changes what you believe about yourself.
Now I want to speak to everyone listening.
Yes, this part is for you.
You are here, right now, listening to English. Understanding maybe not every word, but enough. You are here, and that means something.
It means you already started.
It means you are already changing.
Think about why you started learning English. Maybe it was for a job. Maybe it was for travel. Maybe it was for a dream you have not told anyone yet.
Whatever the reason, I want you to know something.
Your reason is valid. Your dream is real. And English can help you reach it.
English is not the destination. It is the vehicle. It carries you toward the life you want.
The life you want. And every word you learn, every sentence you understand, every episode you listen to it is a step toward that life.
A step. Just one step. That is all you need today.
One step today, one step tomorrow. And one day you will look back and you will not believe how far you have come.
How far you have come. From the person who was afraid to speak, to the person who speaks. From the person who understood nothing, to the person who understands almost everything.
That journey is yours. No one can take it from you.
And it starts with trying. Just trying.
Try it. You can do it.
That is what we believe. That is why we are here. That is why this podcast exists. Because we believe in you. We believe in your English. And we believe in your future.
Now, let me give you one small thing to do today. Just one.
One thing. Tell me.
Today, after this episode, I want you to say 5 sentences in English. Out loud. Alone or with someone. It does not matter. Just say 5 sentences. About your day. About how you feel. About what you want. About what you dream. Any 5 sentences.
5 sentences. That is all?
That is everything. Because those 5 sentences are proof. Proof that English is changing you. Proof that you are growing. Proof that you are brave.
5 sentences. I will do it right now. Today was a good day. I listened to Try It Talks. I learned about how English changes everything. I feel inspired. I am going to keep going.
5 perfect sentences, Jack. 5 sentences that show change. Number 5. You believe you can do it.
I believe I can do it.
And so can everyone listening. Okay, let's review.
Yes. Let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about 5 ways English changes everything.
Yes. Change number 1. English changes how you see yourself. You become braver, stronger, a growing version of yourself.
Change number 2. English changes how the world sees you. More opportunities, more doors, a bigger world.
Change number 3. English changes how you think. A new lens, a new tool for your brain.
Change number 4. English changes what you can access. 60% of the world's knowledge, stories, and people.
Change number 5. English changes what you believe about yourself. The most important change of all.
5 changes. 5 reasons to keep going.
And one thing to do today. Say 5 sentences in English, out loud. Right now.
5 sentences. Starting now.
Perfect. You remembered everything.
I learned a lot today.
Me too. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Try It Talks.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was wonderful.
Please subscribe to Try It Talks.
Give this episode a like.
And share it with someone who needs to hear this today.
Now we have a question for you.
Yes. Please leave a comment below.
Tell us, how has English changed something in your life? Even one small thing.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye everyone. Keep trying. English changes everything.